Hello guys, so pinalitan na natin yung isa pang old squishy natin. At least inalis na natin lahat ng tubig sa loob. Translating, so my squishy here that was with water inside, I made it a nido. Naging nido siya. Ginawa kong nido. Tapos, tignan nyo, stretchy pa, oh. Oh, stretchy pa. Panis. Translating. It's so stretchy. You guys are done. Stretchy. Yes, go. Let's go. Watch until the very end. Because guys, look. Tignan nyo ba naman? Translating. Look at this. Stretchy. And it has beads inside. Can't you see that? That's a cube. This one was with water. Translating. Ito ay may tubig dati. Ngayon, iniwan ko. Joke lang. Ngayon, meron na tayong squishy na nido na sobrang stretchy. May tubig to dati. Ngayon wala na. Translating. This was with no water. Now, it's gonna be a nido with flower inside. May flower siya sa loob. Like, guys! Tignan nyo ba naman, no? Parang slime lang siya. Yan, no? Look, it looks like slime. May web sa loob. Parang may web. Parang Spider-Man, ganon. Tapos, guys, may kasama na siyang cup. Like, wow, inalis ko lang yung cup nito. Wow! So, ilalab ulit natin. Guys, tignan nyo. May glow up siya. Magugustuhan to ng mga ate ko. For sure. This translating, guys, this is what my sisters will totally like. Bye.